Hi, and welcome to Mrs. Osagara's third grade math. Today we will be learning about mixed addition and subtraction word problems. We will be going over some steps on how to solve a word problem. I have here an example problem that we will be working on today. Step 1. Circle the numbers in the problem. Step 2. Underline the question. Step 3. Put a square around the keywords. Step 4. Cross out any unnecessary information. Step 5. Apply known strategies to help solve your answer. And Step 6. Write an equation to show your strategy and write a complete word answer. Here we have an example problem that will help us through the steps of solving a word problem. Lizzie started by cleaning the rivers that flowed through the city. If Lizzie's group was able to collect 380 pounds of garbage, Fred's group raked 25 pounds of leaves, and Megan's group gathered 40 pounds of garbage less than Lizzie's group. How many pounds of garbage did the groups collect in total? We will begin by going on to steps 1 and steps 2. Circle the number in the problem and underline the question. Here we have 380 pounds, 25 pounds, and 40 pounds. And we underlined the question. How many pounds of garbage did the groups collect in total? From here, we will be moving on to steps 3. Put a square around the keywords, and step 4. Cross out any unnecessary information. The keywords will help us by knowing what exactly we are looking for. Here we have the keywords of how many pounds of garbage in total and less than Lizzie's group. Next, we need to cross out any unnecessary information that might be in our word problem. We will be crossing out Fred's group raked 25 pounds of leaves because we are not being asked about the leaves, we are being asked about the garbage. By crossing out the 25 pounds of leaves, we know we do not need to be working with that number. As we move on, we will apply our known strategies to help solve for our answer. We must find how many pounds of garbage did the groups collect in total. In order to find the total pounds of garbage collected, we must first find the amount of pounds Megan's group collected. We begin by subtracting Lizzie's total pounds by 40 pounds, and this would help us find Megan's total pounds. We have Lizzie minus 40 pounds would equal Megan's total pounds. Once we have Megan's total pounds, we can add Lizzie's and Megan's total pounds together to find the answer. Lizzie plus Megan equals the total. Next, on our last step, we will write an equation, show our strategy, and write a complete word answer. First we must find out how much pounds of garbage Megan's group collected. By doing this, we must subtract the 380 pounds that Lizzie's group collected by 40 pounds because Lizzie's group collected 40 pounds less than Lizzie's group. Once we have done our subtraction, we come up with 380 pounds minus 40 pounds, which equals 340 pounds. That is our first step in solving our problem. Our next step would be for us to do an addition, where we would add up Lizzie's group and Megan's group so that we can find the total of pounds collected for both groups. Here we have 380 pounds, which was Lizzie's group, and 340 pounds, which is Megan's group, added together equals 720 pounds. Once we have gotten the total from this, we know that we have found our answer. And that is when we write our complete word answer. So Lizzie and Megan's group collected 720 pounds of garbage. Okay, class, this was our example word problem. Now we can continue on into our homework. I will see you all in class. Have a great evening. Thank you.